Number 6, use the pipe weld replica to answer the following questions. Is the flat side root weld acceptable in a pipeline application and between section 4 and 5? Answers: yes, because one individual indication is greater than 1 inch. Yes, because the aggregate length of the indications is greater than 1 inch. Yes, because one individual indication is less than 1 inch. D, yes, because the aggregate length of indications is less than 1 inch. E, C, and D. So it's talking about the pipe replica. It's telling us to go to the flat side. So this side is the bevel side. This side is the flat side. It's telling us to go through 4 and 5. And it's talking about root. This is 4 and 5, this is the face. So naturally inside must be the root. So in between 4 and 5 is this. Right away you could see there's weld, 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 and then there's something here, like a dip. Weld, 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 and then like a little larger dip. Let's see, it's not focusing. Let's see if I can do it with my flashlight. Flashlight doesn't work. There we go. So those 2 little dips. Okay, but where do we go in our spec book? Number 6 is telling us pipeline application. So spec book pipeline application is 9 and 10. So we go to page 9. We're gonna go visual acceptance criteria, right? Because we're visually inspecting it. So I'm gonna go to 3, 2, 1, simply because this is without high-low. So nothing is telling me, nothing is indicating that these 2 pipes are not aligned right. Nothing is telling me from the inside. I don't see no hard edge saying that the pipe, one of these 2 is like not aligned. You would see a hard edge. Like if this one was higher, you'd see it sticking out. The edge of it sticking out. What that's telling me is that we have inadequate penetration, right? Because there's weld missing in those 2 parts. So the rule is the length of individual indication IP exceeds 1 inch. So shall be considered a defect should any of these exist, or the sum of them in any continuous 12-inch length weld exceeds 1 inch. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna get our VWAC and we're gonna use this side. From this line to that line, that's 1 inch. The rule is the length of an individual indication of IP cannot exceed 1 inch. So when we go in there and we look at what's the weld that's missing, we're gonna pretend that that's 0. And this line over here is 1 inch. It's from line to line, not from edge to edge. From this little line to this little line, that's 1 inch. So we're gonna go there, start at 0. That's definitely not 1 inch. And then that's definitely not 1 inch, that little one. And together, if you add that and that, that's still not 1 inch. It's still less than 1 inch. So I drew it out here. This line to this line on the VWAC is 1 inch. The indications together were less than 1 inch. So yes, because one individual indication is less than 1 inch, that's true. Yes, because the aggregate length of the indications is less than 1 inch, that's true. Aggregate means if there was 2, aggregate means this plus this is still under 1 inch, so that's true. Therefore, C and D are correct. 3, 2, 1. Not inadequate penetration due to high-low. It's not this, because there was, remember, there was no hard edge saying that one pipe was misaligned with the other. And it's not incomplete fusion.